Well,
let me hear answer from
well,
Mr. Mehboob Beg.
I hope
I
that
do
is
not
the
want
way.
the point to be diverted.
Sure,
let me hear them.
Sure, you will hear
How
from
do
them.
they justify Nelly?
But I won't let you off the hook on the question of Yogi Adityanath.
No.
In fact, I now
BJP,
want you to
no,
also
I'm
answer.
sorry.
In fact, I now also want you to answer about Suresh Rana
No,
and
I'm
Sangeet
sorry.
Soam
Hold on for a minute.
and why you felicitated them. Anyway, they will answer.
BJP has answered every question.
Allow me to speak, please.
Mehboob Beg first. Mehboob Beg is responding to Mehboob
BJP
Beg.
has answered every question on communalism.
No.
I want
You'll have
these
to stop them.
secular,
You'll have
pseudo-secularists
to
to
stop
answer.
them, then alone.
Mehboob Beg to Nirmala Sitharaman.
Yeah, we will stop.
Mehboob
On
Beg.
communalism, the BJP has answered enough.
Mehboob Beg. No, you haven't. You have to answer more. Mehboob Beg.
Arnab, stop them. Arnab, whether it's Muslim League, whether it's RSS, these are the sides, two sides of the same coin. So if you have to take this country along, you can't take this country along if you talk about one particular community. You have to take everybody on board, whether it's Muzaffarnagar or Gujarat riots or Sikh massacre or Muslim
You've not
massacre
asked them the
or
questions.
any minority community massacre. It is equally condemnable, and you can't take this country along.
No
you can't
apologies.
take this country forward unless you take everybody on board and move ahead. That's the only way to take
Apologize
this country
for it, sir.
forward.
No, what will you apologize for, Nirmala
for the
Sitharaman?
relationship.
No, 1 minute. Nirmala Sitharaman, you got a reply there. No, 1 minute.
With the Congress?
Nirmala Sitharaman, now listen to me for just a minute. 1 second. 1 second. Nirmala Sitharaman has made an attempt on live television tonight. Pawan Verma, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you for a comment. You can comment after my comment, and then let's hope Nirmala this time doesn't dodge it. Nirmala Sitharaman has made an attempt to avoid the question about Yogi Adityanath, who's a BJP MP from Gorakhpur. And now, let me tell you what Yogi Adityanath says on 29th of December, as reported in a magazine at Balrampur village at a rally that was also attended by activists of the Hindu Yuva Vahini, which is this right-wing Hindu organization. Can I quote? This is what is said, quote, yes. Muslims consider terrorists their protectors. Hindus must unite and remain alert of Muslims wherever they live and confront them if the situation demands. Now, you know something? I had already asked the question about the Indian Union Muslim League, but Pawan Verma, do you think Nirmala Sitharaman should address the question about Yogi Adityanath? Because after all, he is not an affiliate, a member of the Sangh from the outside. He's a BJP MP from Gorakhpur. Pawan Verma, do you think she should answer the question?
Yeah, I want to say to you, Arnab, that like Nirmala Sitharaman ji, I am also an admirer of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And I think that during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's leadership, there was a feeling that the BJP is neither inherently nor irrevocably communal. I think there was a historic attempt to try to bring the BJP into the mainstream with a wider mass appeal. And to play down some of the voices like that you have just quoted. I think what has happened recently is that the forces that were regressive have once again gained the upper hand, and there are many people in the BJP also who are worried. Therefore, I say to you that Nirmala ji, who is just writing a book or finished a book on Atal Bihari Vajpayee, should seriously think about how they are going to control these forces, because it's not about alarmism. If you throw out secularism for one window, you will bring in from the other window endemic communal strife in this country.
Let's ask her.
Indians don't want.
Would Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who clearly, 1 minute, would Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who clearly is Nirmala Sitharaman's political idol, so much so that she is writing a book on him, congratulations for that, Nirmala Sitharaman. Would Atal Bihari Vajpayee have allowed riot-accused MLAs like Suresh Rana and Sangeet Soam to be given upadhis and honored? Would Atal Bihari Vajpayee have let Yogi Adityanath speak the kind of venal rubbish that he speaks and get away with it? Come on, Nirmala Sitharaman. Would Atal Bihari Vajpayee have allowed that? And doesn't this strengthen and reinforce the notion? No, would...
I will.
So, please answer
I will answer this question. I will certainly answer this question with taking an example from Gujarat.
Yogi Adityanath, Sangeet Soam and Suresh Rana, would they have flowered under Atal Bihari Vajpayee? Simple. I don't think you need any examples. You just need to say yes or no,
Not
this
just
way or
that,
that.
there are many more, if you allow me.
That's because you're presuming that they've already said something terrible.
So Yogi Adityanath has not said something terrible. Do you want me to quote it again? He says,
No, wait a minute.
Muslims consider
Arnab,
terrorists their protectors.
you're not
Hindus
doing
must
a
unite and
favor.
remain alert of Muslims wherever they live and confront them if the situation demands. This is not terrible. This is what?
You are not doing a favor to your viewers after having raised a very important question by stifling me from answering. I
not
will
stifling,
answer
I'm
it.
waiting.
Just allow me to answer.
I'm waiting.
First example. 10 years in Gujarat, not one riot or communal violence.
No, that's not
That is
there.
what the BJP
That's
under
not my
Vajpayee wanted.
This is terrible.
What is terrible?
No,
Never
wait
mind.
a minute. No,
They
Arvind,
have put him into
excuse me.
submission.
You
I
can't
think
expect
physically
me.
They have
waiting, I
put
would like to
6%
Listen to me.
of Gujarat
Kindly listen to
population
me.
into submission.
I'm amazed.
Because they have
I
no
will want to
right
answer-
assert
No,
for their
Mr.
rights and duties. They have been put in.
Arnab, if this debate is about drowning me, I
They have been
concede.
put into submission. They have been made
If you want to
voiceless.
drown me,
Well,
I concede.
Here is an
If you
opportunity.
drown me, I concede.
Here is an opportunity to break away. I say here is
If
an
you're
opportunity.
trying to drown me,
No,
I
Ms. Sitaraman.
concede.
No, Ms. Sitaraman. That is
You
Mehboob
just
Beg.
allow me to give my
Mehboob
answer.
Beg disagrees
I
with
want to answer.
you. Okay, complete your point, but he disagrees with you.
And if I'm answering, I will answer the way in which I want to answer.
You answer
and
the
if your
question on
panelists
Yogi
are
Adityanath.
not patient enough, you have to hold on.
I am patiently waiting for the answer on Yogi Adityanath.
Yes, you will get it, provided I do also answer other things. And therefore, please hold on. It's very well for Pawan Verma ji to extend a lot of courtesies to me. But let me ask him. Isn't his Nitish Kumar today
Again,
in Bihar doing... No, Arnab, hold on, Arnab. You can't shut me down like that. Pawan Verma, please answer. In Bihar, isn't Nitish Kumar ji doing the very same communal Congress politics? Why couldn't you arrest Bhatkal?
But you
Why did
answered
you
with a
hesitate
counter
to arrest
question.
him? National interest is
No,
not
Bhatkal-
important?
That is a
Isn't that
ridiculous
not a
comment
communal
to make,
politics?
Nirmala ji. Bhatkal's arrest, there was under the NIA, the Bihar
Isn't that a
police
communal lie?
cooperated with it. It's the most,
Bihar police
it's the
is your
most
police.
easily exposed propaganda to say that all those who are for the rights of minorities become terrorists or collude with terrorists.
It is not a right of minority here that we're talking about,
No, here's an
Pawan Verma
opportunity.
ji. We are talking about terrorism worrying this
come
country.
on.
Okay.
But you were trying to project that you were appeasing a particular community by not arresting a terrorist.
You are colluding with terrorists. What kind of propaganda
No,
is
no,
this?
I've
But it's
asked you a
relevant
legitimate
to
question.
ask that Mr. Narendra Modi
I have asked
has
you a
not
relevant
visited
question.
once the camps in which the victims of the Gujarat
The
riots
relevant
are
question.
housed today.
The
It's
relevant
worst
question
possible
tonight.
That's again a lie.
The relevant
shining
question, and I
Gujarat.
repeat
That's
the
again
relevant
a lie.
question. The relevant question is this. Here is an opportunity for the BJP. There are 14 political parties working towards a secular front against both the Congress and the BJP. The current strength of these parties in these Lok Sabha is 95 seats. They may go up to 150 seats. The BJP, if it wants to dump the people who speak venal rubbish like Yogi Adityanath, and if it can stop honoring people accused of a role in riots like Suresh Rana and Sangeet Som, can make a clean break from the past.
You're
But clearly it
misinterpreting
appears
the
to me
fact that-
tonight, with the manner in which you are dodging that question, that you're unable to make a clean break from that. You are unable to make a clean break.
No,
Randeep
absolutely
Surjewala.
not.
Randeep Surjewala. Randeep
Arnab, give me a
Surjewala.
minute.
You will appreciate my point.
Arnab, if any such
That
break
you
has to
cannot
be done
pursue
by
it
a party
with
like
the
Bharatiya
camouflage
Janata
of
Party,
governance.
it has to come by purging the RSS ideology. It has to come by purging the ilk of Shri Narendra Modi.
No,
I'm not talking about the person per se.
I
but
object
his
to this
thought
kind of a
process,
comment.
which is responsible for the mass murder
Okay,
in
now.
2002. It must
Sorry,
come not only
don't
from that,
perpetrate
it must
lies.
come also from
Swapan Das Gupta.
elements
Gaurav
like,
Bhatia, Swapan Das Gupta, wrapping it up.
Kodnani, for one of the ministers of Shri Modi.
Yeah, but you can also-
perpetrate lies, Surjewala ji.
You can also, Gaurav Bhatia,
It has to do
Gaurav
with
Bhatia, then Swapan Das Gupta.
purging the thought
Yes,
process
Arnab,
of division.
I think Arnab, half the airtime today was
Gaurav
given to
Bhatia.
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman to respond to your answer on Yogi Adityanath.
Yes.
But there has been deafening silence and no reply came from her. And I would now like to respond to what Mr. Swapan Das Gupta said. Mr. Swapan Das Gupta said that why do parties talk about secularism? I would say secularism and socialism are two very important basic structure of the constitution. So if we feel that there is a person like Mr. Modi out of whom the BJP wants to benefit out of his personality cult but doesn't want to talk about the disadvantages that come with him, then I think it is unfortunate.
Well, the sci-fi extravaganza. The sci-fi extravaganza was not socialism. The sci-fi extravaganza was not socialism, but I concede Nirmala Sitharaman has not answered my question on Yogi Adityanath. Last word to Swapan Das Gupta.
It wasn't.
Last word to Swapan Das Gupta tonight. Swapan Das Gupta, last word.
No, you know, I think no political party can say they are completely they have an unblemished record. I think that's a given fact. We've seen that over the course of since independence. But what I think is very important to realize is that it is not necessary. It is not necessary to always create this fear psychosis. You know, like whoever said that the reason why there's been no riots in Gujarat for the past 12 years is because some people have been suppressed. Are you suggesting that it's the natural instinct of people to riot? I mean, that's the type of political rhetoric which has got to stop. There are legitimate political differences which go along from one political party to another. And no doubt that will play along. But must we always talk about use sectarian logic as a form of division? That's the question. You know, the point is we have a certain innate respect for tolerance, what we call a secular state.
Yes. Yeah, but
as far as a secular polity is concerned, I do not think it exists.
Yeah,
because under the guise of both secularism and anti-secularism and communalism, it is that.
We'll take this. We'll take this forward. But
it is called a negotiable commodity.
Yeah. But at the same time, what Yogi Adityanath says is not negotiable, and I didn't get an answer to that. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1, ladies and gentlemen. On the News Hour tonight.